So I will start by reading the verse, 1 Peter 4:10. As every man hath received a gift, even so minister the same, one to another, as good steward of the manifold grace of God. And I will add unto this, give, and it shall be given unto you. Okay, it's really important to understand this. Give, and it shall be given unto you. To make a long story short, when I was about your age, I didn't know the Lord Jesus Christ. I was kind of an orphan. I had a mother, but she was a criminal. She died at 41 years old of drug abuse. So I was raised by what we call Hells Angels. So Hells Angels in Canada, they're a criminal organization. They're biker. They ride motorcycle. And they're criminal. They're selling drugs and alcohol. So at that age, God had given me a couple of talents. Seriously, I was a talented child. But I have one problem, and you have to remember this. You can be the most talented kids, but if you don't finish what you start, it's no good. It's really important when you start something that you finish it. On the opposite, my wife, I think she had a bit less talent than me. Okay? I'm not saying that to be prideful, but she's better than me. You know why? Because when she starts something, she finishes it. She finishes it. So we all have talent. Remember this, we all have talent. All of you have talent, okay? But I know some of you might be thinking, I have no talent. I don't have talent. But you all have talent. And you know what thing that is bad to do? It's to compare yourself